The football celebrations, I think that sound for me is more kind of like an emotional attachment to the sound of your team scoring and that kind of celebration, roar kind of thing, you know. This would be the...
That's 2-1 for your team, right?
That's my team, Spurs versus Arsenal.
Over Arsenal,
My granddad kind of passed away kind of earlier this year. However, as a child, he would take me to kind of like, his enthusiasm was trains, and he would like take me train spotting as a child. But when I kind of hear, this is my granddad's layout on there, so he built this, but the sound of here is something that I would associate with him. So this is a sound of my granddad's layout. Something that I would always associate that sound with him. So yeah, happy memories. So it kind of does bring back kind of childhood memories as well as, you know, from you know, him as well.